Back in the courtroom, a long-delayed trial finally got underway in Milwaukee today, with the defendant acting as his own attorney.
And Timothy Olson faces a list of felonies for allegedly kidnapping a woman back on Thanksgiving of 2022. In court today, the victim taking the stand to tell her story. CBS 58's Jenna Wells is live at the Milwaukee County Courthouse, where, Jenna, we understand it has been an unusual day.
That is right, Natalie and Jessup. Timothy Olson actually had to be removed from the courtroom around the middle of the day today because of what appeared to be some sort of medical emergency at first. We'll show you the judge's reaction to that in a second. Olson is representing himself after firing 7 court-appointed attorneys since this case started. And today, the woman he's accused of kidnapping talked about her experience.
Were you afraid?
Oh, yeah. It was the worst day of my life.
What did you think was happening at this time?
Oh, well, you know, I don't think you can really think. You know, you just pray. You pray.
Prosecutors Wednesday called an 82-year-old woman who described being kidnapped by Olson outside Casa de Giorgio in Franklin. She said he got into the passenger seat of her car, claimed he had a gun, forced her to drive, then took the wheel himself. He also forced her to drink whiskey. She says she woke up the next morning with him still driving. He eventually dropped her and her car off in Greenfield and ran away with her credit card. However, her testimony was interrupted by Olson throwing his head back and loudly dry heaving, making a choking noise. He was then taken out of the courtroom to see a nurse, and Judge Christy Yang ordered a 2-hour recess. Upon return, Judge Yang said he was cleared by a nurse and that the episode appeared to be an attempt to delay trial. Olson didn't question any witnesses despite being asked to by Judge Yang. At the end of the day, he told the judge he didn't feel well.
My Uncle Soul is here next to me and he won't stop talking to me, and I don't know, he's asking me to do things.
Now, Olson said he wasn't going to hurt himself, but his head was just spinning. Out of an abundance of caution, Judge Yang did adjourn the hearing early today, telling Olson to see a nurse yet again back at the jail. He claimed that he has a severe concussion, and he asked the judge if he could see medical professionals outside of the jail. She denied that and reiterated that Olson has been cleared by medical professionals many times. Court does resume tomorrow morning. That's when the state is hoping to rest their case, barring any delays or so. Back to you, Natalie and Jessup.